So there are two steps in the process of predicting the right ICO. Now, you need to be able to look at an ICO or a startup team and what they're trying to build, and then predict how many times their coin will grow within a year. There's only one tool that helps you to do that, which I built it. So it's the only tool on the internet, and we're going to use it. And now there are two steps to using it. First of all, you're going to list the features of the ICO. There are certain metrics we need to list out from that ICO. And then secondly, we're going to rate each feature. After rating it, the platform will help us to determine, predict how much the ICO will grow. You understand? And that's very, very awesome. All right. So now look at the things we're going to check out. We're going to check out the name of the ICO, the code. Then we're going to check out the token metrics. So I'll explain all these things. Don't worry. So we're going to check out how many tokens are available for the ICO. How many tokens did they release for their ICO? How many tokens? What's the price of their token at the ICO stage? What is their market cap? The percentage of tokens they are paid to the founders. You know, let's say all ICOs pay their founders. You understand? So let's say they are raising $100 million. At the end of the day, they want to pay their founders some millions of dollars out of it. So we're going to check out what percentage they are paying their founders. If the percentage is too small, then there's a problem. You get what I'm saying? If it's too small, there's a problem. If it's too big, there's a problem. That means they are greedy. You understand? So the percentage needs to be somewhere within a certain number that I'll let you know further down the video. Then we're going to look at their exposure. How many people know about them? What is their social media following? What are their media mentions? You understand? So we're going to also check out their team size. How many people make up their team? We're going to check out their advisors, depth of experience of their advisors. We're going to check out the skill level of their developers, and a couple of just one or two other things. And we're going to check out the product. What are they actually trying to build? The idea behind it. What is the industry they're venturing into? What is their audience? Who will eventually use it? The way they wrote their white paper, we're going to analyze that, and whether they already have a prototype. Then we're going to check out the timeline, the date of their ICO, the token distribution date, and their product delivery timeline. We're going to check out all these things, all right? So thank you very much. In the next video, we'll now open the software, and we'll go and trace. I'll show you how to go and discover ICOs. Like I told you some time earlier in this video, the ICOs are hidden. They're difficult to find. You understand? Because nobody has heard of them yet. So I'll show you how to go dig around the internet and find out the nice ICOs, the great ICOs that you need to invest in from the comfort of your laptop. All right. Thank you very much. See you in the next video, guys.